should dress up like that. Honey!
How you doing?
What's up? I'm the Exterminator.
I want to see it. I want to see it.
Oh my gosh, the whole family has their own puns.
Okay, make sure this is ano.
Oh, there's a spider! Where'd it go?
Okay, make sure you close that, huh? Are you ready?
Everyday na lang ano, meron nito.
Follow them.
Yeah, are you fast enough?
No?
You fast enough?
Hands.
Oh, that's a lot of bees.
Want to use the box? Want to use this box? Want to use the box?
Oh! Oh shoot! Ah! You missed it! You missed! Oh! You missed it!
Yes, it's almost broken.
See that lump? It's still there. Okay.
That's probably fun. You want to check it?
Wow, ano dami. It's a lot.
Squished it flat.
You know? Rest in peace, baby.
Right there.
Yeah.
Right there. Oh, there's another one?
This is the bee cemetery. Oh my god.
Stop it.
Look how early that is.
Hmm?
Great.
So giddy.
Get a beehive.
You're bad.
I'm
I don't
sweating.
even say those.